Good morning, students. Today I am discussing about some important questions for your upcoming examination. According to your semester 1 syllabus, so today's topic competition and tournament. What? Competition and tournament. Okay. So look, students. First questions for your upcoming examinations. What? Match the following. What? Match the following. So look, A, what? Technical committee. What? Technical committee. Technical committee. Another one, finance committee. Finance committee. C, what? Transport committee. Transport committee. And D, what? First aid committee. Sorry. First aid committee. So look, students, technical committee, finance committee, transport committee and first aid committee. Column B, to provide shifting facility. What? To providing shifting facility. To resolve dispute. To deals with money and expenditure. To provide medical facility. So look here, first aid committee is related with what? To provide medical facility. To provide medical facility. So transport committee to provide, sorry, finance committee to deals with money and expenditure. What? Finance committee deals with money and expenditure. Understood? So technical committee is related with to resolve dispute, and transport committee to provide shifting facility. So technical committee is related with to resolve dispute, finance committee is related with to deals with money and expenditure, transport committee is related with to providing shifting facility, and first aid committee is related with what? To provide medical facility. So now look, students, another important question for your upcoming examination. Out of them, which is not work of organizing committee? Out of them, uh, which is not the work of organizing committee? Options are there: to draw fixture, to select referee panel for match, to conduct the matches, to decorate the tournament venue. So organizing committee is not related with draw fixture, to select referee panel for match, to conduct the matches and to decorate the tournament venue. So what is the answer? Uh, is not, I mean, to conduct the matches is not work of organizing committee. Understood? And now look, match the following, I mean next another match following the matches. What? Look, match the following. So look, students, column A, intramural competition. What? Intramural competition. Okay. So intra. B option, what? Knockout tournament. Knock out tournament. Intramural. C number, column A, what? By. D number, what? Staircase. So look students, intramural is related with Colombi after losing after losing get out from tournament is related with intramural. Not. After losing get out from tournament is related with knockout tournament. What? Knockout tournament. And another important given when teams are not in power of 2 is related with by, and league tournament is also related with staircase, and within the boundary of institute is related with intramural. Again I tell you, what? After losing get out from the tournament is related with knockout tournament. Given when teams are not in power 2 is related with by, and league tournament is related with staircase, and within the boundary of institute is related with intramural. Understood? Now look, another important match the following. Again one match are there following. What? Number 1, cyclic. B number, what? Technical committee. Number C, what? Extramural. And number D, seeding. So match the following. Colombi resolves dispute. I have already told you technical committee is related with resolves dispute. Outside institute is also included with extramural competition. To avoid meet in first round is related with seeding, and league tournament is related with cycling. So resolve dispute technical committee, outside institute extramural competition, and to avoid to meet in first round is related with seeding, and league tournament is related with cyclic method. Understood? So now look, another important match the following for your upcoming examinations. What? Run for fun. What? Run for fun. Health run. Just a minute. Okay. So what? Run for fun. Health run. Run for fun. Health run. After that, what? Sports day, and another one, run for unity. So look students, run for fun is related with what? Organized once in 1 year? Not. To provide the sense to work jointly? Not. To promote sense of physical, mental, social and emotional well-being? This one also not. To provide enjoyment? Yes. Run for fun is related with to provide enjoyment. Health run? What? Health run is related with to promote sense of physical, mental, social and emotional well-being. Understood? Sports day related with organized in once in a year, and run for unity is related with to provide the sense of work jointly. Understood? Now next questions for your upcoming examination. What? Look students, total number of matches for knockout tournament in decided as total number of matches for knockout tournament is decided as what? N minus 1. Understood? N minus 1. Okay? Total number of matches knockout tournament is decided as N minus 1. N minus 1. Suppose team number 11. Total number of team 11. So how many matches will be there? 11 minus 1 equal 10 matches. Okay. So now look students, number of to calculate total number of matches for league tournament for single league. Obviously single league, to calculate total number of matches for league tournament, single league tournament, that time what is the formula? Look students, n into whole to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 is the formula of league tournament, I mean single league tournament. I mean suppose you look 9 team will be there. So 9 into 9 minus 1 by 2 equal to 9 into 8 by 2. So 72 by 2 by 36. How many matches will be there? 36 matches will be there. Understood? Now look students, next important questions for your upcoming examination. How many bye will be given for 21 teams on the knockout basis? What? How many bye will be given for 21 teams on the knockout basis? 21 teams. If 21 teams will be there, that time how many byes will be given? What? 21. Means next higher nearest part of the two. What? 32. That's why 32 minus 21, I mean 11 byes will be there. Understood? How many byes will be there? 11 byes will be there. Okay. Now look in the placement of byes. 4 bye is given to whom? Actually, all byes will be given first round. So suppose 11 team there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Sorry, 11 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So here look, first half, I mean upper half and lower half will be divided. For upper half 6 teams and lower half 5 teams. So I have already discussed with you how it will be given. And now look, number 4's bye. Actually first bye will give to last team of lower half. Last team of lower half. First bye. Second bye will be given first team of upper half. Third bye will be give first team of second half, I mean lower half. Now look, easy. Fourth number bye will be given last team of upper half. Understood? And one more bye will be there. Cause 11 team, how many byes will be there? 16 minus 11 equal to 5. So 4 bye I have already given. And another bye, last bye, whose team given? 10 number team. Understood? So now look, another important questions for your upcoming examination. The other name of league tournament. Options are there: round robin tournament, knockout tournament, combination tournament, challenge tournament. So answer round robin tournament. Understood? And now look, to avoid compete in initial round, which of the following is correct? By seeding, fixture, special seeding. So to avoid compete in initial round, which of the following correct? That there are options: by, seeding, fixture, special seeding. So answers will be there: seeding. Understood? Now look to which is not which is not the objective of planning. To reduce pressure, to have good control over activities, to minimize the change of mistake, to improve the personal relation among the staff. So, which is not objective of the plan? To reduce pressure, to have good control over activities, to minimize the chances of mistake. Not this one. To minimize the chances of mistake. This one is not objectives of planning. Now look another important question. To avoid careless mistake under pressure and to achieve the goal, which of them should be more valuable? Planning, staffing, supervision, budgeting. So to avoid the careless mistake under pressures and to achieve the goal, that time which of the should the more valuable? Planning. Understood? Now look, intramodal tournaments are those tournaments which are organized within the boundary wall of institute. This one. No need. Check the another option. And which is not the objectives of intramodal tournament? To provide recreation, to help in the overall development, to active high performance, achieve high performance, to provide opportunity to learn a variety of games and skills. So, what is the not objectives of intramodal tournament? To achieve high performance. It's not objectives of intramodal tournament. Understood? So, these are all about for today's. And now, listen my voice carefully and study at your home, because these are all questions important for your upcoming examination. Thank you.